中文問題：作為英國公民，你應該做哪兩件事？英文問題：As a British citizen, you should。中文答案：尊重和遵守法律，愛護你居住的地區和環境。英文答案：Respect and obey the law and look after the area in which you live and the environment。中文問題：1689年的權利法案賦予婦女投票權。英文問題：The Bill of Rights in 1689 gave women the right to vote。中文答案：錯。英文答案：false。中文問題：英格蘭與澳洲之間最著名的板球比賽叫什麼？英文問題：What is the name of the most famous cricket competition played between England and Australia？中文答案：The Ashes。英文答案：The Ashes。中文問題：18世紀最大的就業來源是什麼？英文問題：What was the biggest source of employment during the 第18 century？中文答案：製造業。英文答案：Manufacturing。中文問題：1314年，Robert the Bruce 帶領蘇格蘭人在 Bannockburn 戰役擊敗英格蘭，蘇格蘭沒有被英格蘭征服。英文問題：In 1314 the Scottish, led by Robert the Bruce, defeated the English at the Battle of Bannockburn, and Scotland remained unconquered by the English。中文答案：對。英文答案：true。中文問題：以下哪一項屬於刑事罪行？英文問題：Which of the following is an example of criminal offence？中文答案：在禁止吸煙的公共場所吸煙。英文答案：Smoking in public places where it is not allowed。中文問題：哪一個蘇格蘭氏族因拒絕宣誓而被殺？英文問題：Which Scottish clan was killed for not taking the oath？中文答案：格倫科的 MacDonalds 氏族。英文答案：The MacDonalds of Glencoe。中文問題：權力下放政府可以就哪兩方面立法？英文問題：Which two issues can the devolved administrations pass laws on？中文答案：健康、教育。英文答案：Health and Education。中文問題：1914年奧地利大公 Franz Ferdinand 遇刺，引發了哪一場戰爭？英文問題：The assassination of the Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria in 1914 led to which of the following wars？中文答案：第一次世界大戰。英文答案：The First World War。中文問題：蘇格蘭首都是哪裏？英文問題：What is the capital city of Scotland？中文答案：愛丁堡。英文答案：Edinburgh。中文問題：1833年解放法案廢除了整個大英帝國的奴隸制度。英文問題：In 1833 the Emancipation Act abolished slavery throughout the British Empire。中文答案：對。英文答案：true。中文問題：蘇格蘭地主拆除小農場改為放牧牛羊的運動叫什麼？英文問題：What is the name of the process by which many Scottish landlords destroyed individual small farms, known as crofts, to make space for large flocks of sheep and cattle？中文答案：高地清場。 英文答案 The Highland Clearances。中文問題 Falkland Islands 是英國海外領土，也是英國的一部分。英文問題 The Falkland Islands are a British overseas territory and are part of the United Kingdom。中文答案錯，英文答案 false。中文問題以下哪兩場屬於英國內戰？英文問題 Which two of the following are Civil War battles？中文答案 Marston Moor 戰役 Naseby 戰役。英文答案 The Battle of Marston Moor and the Battle of Naseby。中文問題爭取婦女投票權的組織叫什麼？英文問題 What was the name of the activist group who fought for the women's right to vote？中文答案婦女參政權運動組織。英文答案 Suffragettes。中文問題哪一個英國地標被選為2007年英國最受歡迎景觀？英文問題 What UK landmark was voted as Britain's favourite view in 2007？中文答案湖區國家公園。英文答案 Lake District。中文問題石器時代最早居住在英國的人是誰？英文問題 Who were the first people to live in Britain in what we call the Stone Age？中文答案狩獵採集者。英文答案 Hunter-gatherers。中文問題亨利八世時期反對教宗權威及天主教會思想的運動叫什麼？英文問題 What is the name of the movement against the authority of the Pope and the ideas of the Catholic Church that took place during the reign of Henry VIII？中文答案宗教改革。英文答案 The Reformation。中文問題申請 National Insurance Number 應該怎樣做？英文問題 What do you need to do to apply for a National Insurance Number？中文答案聯絡工作及退休金部。英文答案 Contact the Department for Work and Pensions (DWP)。中文問題以下哪一項是英國主要賽馬活動？英文問題 Which of the following is a major horse racing event in England？中文答案皇家雅士谷賽馬。英文答案 Royal Ascot。中文問題蘇格蘭陪審團有多少名成員？英文問題How many members form a jury in Scotland？中文答案15人。英文答案15。中文問題什麼是 Lent？英文問題 What is known as Lent？中文答案復活節前40天。英文答案 The 40 days before Easter。中文問題外國最後一次成功入侵英格蘭是在哪一年？英文問題 When was the last successful foreign invasion of England？中文答案1066年。英文答案1066。中文問題第二次世界大戰是因為德國入侵哪一個國家而開始？英文問題World War II started as a result of Germany invading which country？中文答案波蘭。英文答案 Poland。中文問題哪一種花是蘇格蘭的象徵？英文問題 Which flower is associated with Scotland？中文答案計花。英文答案 The thistle。中文問題 投訴警察只能寫信給有關警察部隊的警長。英文問題 Police complaints can only be made by writing to the chief constable of the police force involved。中文答案錯，英文答案 false。中文問題以下哪一項是內政大臣的職責？英文問題 Which of the following is a responsibility of the Home Secretary？ 中文答案打擊罪案，英文答案 crime。中文問題 Saint David's Day 在哪一天慶祝？英文問題 When is Saint David's Day celebrated？ 中文答案3月1日，英文答案3月1號。中文問題蘇格蘭女王瑪麗被囚禁20年後發生了什麼事？英文問題 What happened to Mary, Queen of Scots after she spent 20 years in prison？ 中文答案她被處決，英文答案 She was executed。中文問題以下哪兩句是英國國歌的歌詞？英文問題 Which of the following lines are from the national anthem? Choose two options。中文答案 God save our gracious Queen, send her victorious。英文答案 God save our gracious Queen, and send her victorious。中文問題北愛爾蘭和蘇格蘭有自己的紙幣，在全英國都有效。英文問題 Northern Ireland and Scotland have their own banknotes, which are valid everywhere in the UK。中文答案對，英文答案 true。中文問題英格蘭、威爾斯和蘇格蘭共有多少個國家公園？英文問題 How many national parks are there in England, Wales and Scotland？ 中文答案15個，英文答案15。中文問題北愛爾蘭是 Great Britain 的一部分嗎？英文問題 Is Northern Ireland part of Great Britain？ 中文答案不是，英文答案 No。中文問題如果你是狗主，帶狗外出時狗牌必須有哪兩項資料？英文問題 If you are a dog owner, which two things should your dog's collar have when you go out for a walk？ 中文答案狗主姓名，狗主地址。英文答案 The owner's name and the owner's address。中文問題哪一天與耶穌基督的死亡有關？英文問題 What day relates to the death of Jesus Christ？ 中文答案耶穌受難日。英文答案 Good Friday。中文問題國會議員的責任是代表每一位選區居民。英文問題 A responsibility of the MPs is to represent everyone in their 下劃線下劃線下劃線。中文答案選區。英文答案 constituency。中文問題誰是英國皇位繼承人？英文問題 Who is the heir to the throne of Britain？ 中文答案威爾斯親王。英文答案 The Prince of Wales。中文問題：大憲章取得了什麼重要成就？英文問題：What was achieved with the Carta Magna？中文答案：限制國王的權力。英文答案：It restricted the king's power。中文問題：女性生殖器切割 （FGM） 或帶女孩到海外接受 FGM 在英國屬於刑事罪行。英文問題：Female genital mutilation (FGM) or taking a girl or woman abroad for FGM is illegal in the UK and it is a criminal offence。中文答案：對。英文答案 True。中文問題：婦女在哪一年獲得投票權？英文問題：What year were women given the right to vote？中文答案：1918年。英文答案：1918。中文問題：以下哪兩個是英國海外領土？英文問題：Which two of the following are British overseas territories？中文答案：聖克勒拿島、福克蘭群島。英文答案：Saint Helena and the Falkland Islands。中文問題：1588年英格蘭擊敗了誰？英文問題：Who did the English defeat in 1588？中文答案：西班牙無敵艦隊。英文答案：The Spanish Armada。中文問題：誰設計了 Cenotaph 戰爭紀念碑？英文問題：Who designed the Cenotaph？中文答案：Edwin Lutyens 爵士。英文答案：Sir Edwin Lutyens。中文問題：威爾斯政府議員多久選舉一次？英文問題：How often are the members of the Welsh government elected？中文答案：每4年一次。英文答案：Every 4 years。中文問題：披頭四樂隊流行及社會法例變得自由化是在哪一個年代？英文問題：During which period did the Beatles become popular and social laws were liberalized？中文答案：1960年代。英文答案：1960s。中文問題：Man Booker Prize 是頒發給哪一個範疇？英文問題：The Man Booker Prize is awarded in which of the following categories？中文答案：文學。英文答案：Literature。中文問題：當國會議員去世或辭職時，會舉行什麼選舉？英文問題：What sort of election takes place when a member of parliament (MP) dies or resigns？中文